Yeah, welcome back children. So today we'll discuss exercise 9.2 problems. So the question is, there is a rectangular acrylic sheet with a 36 centimeters length, 25 centimeters width. Okay. Now they are cutting up sheet with a button size. How many buttons? 56 buttons, and each button diameter is 3.5 centimeters. So simply example, what is saying that just it's a white paper. Now he is trying to make a holes to the white paper. How many holes? 56 holes. So after making holes with the paper, so what is the remaining area is asking it. Okay. So first I write it's a sheet in the shape of rectangle. So rectangular sheet. Am I right? So area of a rectangle formula L into B. So area is equals to, we'll write 36 centimeters into 25 centimeters. Simple, centimeter square, and calculate 36 into 25. 36 into 25. 5 6 is a 30, 3 carry, 3 is a 15 plus 3 18, and it's a 72. 9. Okay. So the sheet area we got it as a 900 centimeters square. 900 centimeters square. Now button beta. Button in the shape of circle. Area of a circle formula pi r square. So here we'll consider radius, but we know diameter. So d value is 3.5 and the radius value is 3.5 by 2. That means half of the diameter. So if you want to write, we can write 1.725, or else just write 3.5 by centimeters. Now area of one button, pi value 22 by 7. Okay. Next 3.5 by 2. Next 3.5 by 2. Yeah, 2 ones are 2 11 times, 0.5 times. Okay, so we'll write 11 into 3.5 by 2. So 0.5 is nothing but 5 by 10. Correct? Yes. 2. Yeah. So overall I can write it as 11. Yeah, 11 by 2. 3.5 by 2. Correct? 11 by 2 is nothing but 11 by 2 is nothing but 5.5. 5.5 into 35 means 35 one, right? 35 means 7. Yeah, here we'll write 1.75. Yes, 1.75. Now try to multiply 1.75 double 5. 5 5 is a 25, 2 carry. 5 7 is a 35 plus 2, 37, 3 carry. 8. Same. One more 5 now. So 5, 7, 8. So 5, 2, 16, 1. So after decimal, look at here 2 digits, here 1 digit. So overall after 3 digits we'll put the decimal. So answer 9.625 centimeters square. So it is the area of one button only one button. So total, yeah, we calculated area of one button. No, now area of 56 buttons. So this is the area of one button. So one button area into 56. So I multiplied, I got it 539.000 centimeters square. After the decimal we have all zeros. So neglect the zeros, simple I have written 539 centimeters square. So now area of remaining sheet is nothing but area of total sheet minus area of 56 buttons. If we do subtraction, we got it 361 centimeter square. So that is our needed area. Okay. So that is the remaining sheet. Area of a remaining sheet. Now we have a question, second question. Find the area of a circle which is inscribed in a square side of 28 centimeters. That means a circle is fixed in a square whose side is 28 centimeters. Okay. Now it's a circle. Yeah, it's fixed in a square. Yes. So the total length is 28 centimeter. Okay. So what is the question now? Find the area of the circle. Just to find the area of the circle. So if you take the distance from center to any point on the circle, that is called radius. So it is also called radius. Correct? But look at the total length is 28 centimeters. So what I'll write from the figure. So from the figure I'll write r plus r. R plus r, the total distance is equals to 28 centimeters. R plus r, I can write it as 2r, that is 28. R is equals to 28 by 2. R is equal to 14 centimeters, because 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, 14. Now, area of a circle. Area of a circle formula pi r square. So that is nothing but 22 by 7 into r value 14, r value, r square is nothing but pi into r, 2 times. So 14 I have written 2 times. So 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. So 22 twos are 44 into 14. Okay. So just multiply 14, 44. 14 fours are 56. Again 56. Sorry. 6, yeah. 616. 616. We are talking about area. So area is always with a square unit. Got it? Yeah. So that is the area of the square, area of the circle, which is inscribed with a square. Okay. And later we'll find one more diagram. Yes. Now look at the diagram. Yeah, it's a square. Yeah. So it's a diagram. So he said that the complete distance up to here, the edges. So that is 42 centimeters. 42 centimeters. And this total is D. Yeah. Now find the shaded region. So he is asking about these outer areas. Then how? Yeah. So from the figure I want to give clarity. From the figure. So D is nothing but diameter. So D is equals to, we'll write it as 2R. 2R. Okay. I told you already, it's the center to any point on the circle, that is called radius. Am I right? So here also we'll get center. We can't see now. Now if you take any point, that is also represent radius. And here also center, it is also radius. Simply from the diagram we can write therefore total distance. If you want to calculate total distance, r plus d plus r is equals to 42. And I said already r plus r 2r, correct? So 2r is nothing but a d again. So d plus d is equals to 42. 2d is equal to 42. D is equal to 42 by 2. D is equal to 21 centimeter. Actually we don't want D. We need R, because area of the circle's formula pi r square. Correct? So R is equal to, I can write 21 by 2 centimeter. If you are unable to cancel it, let it. Better let it. Okay. Right. Huh. So I said already about half circle also. Half circle is nothing but it is semicircle. Semicircle, half of the circle. Am I right? So area of one semicircle formula of pi r square. Correct? Now we'll write half into pi value 22/7 into r value 21/2, again 21/2. Look at cancellations now. 11 times. Next 7 ones are 7 threes are. Okay. Now 2 twos are 4 as it is I have written centimeter square. Okay. Next 11 threes are 33 into 21. Let multiply 21 33. 3 6 again 3 6. Yeah. So I got it area, that is 693/4 centimeter square. It is area of one semicircle. But how many semicircles in the diagram? 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct? So simply here I'll write area of 4 shaded semicircles. So have we done just before? 56 buttons area is equal to, I have written 56 into 1 button area. In the same way, 4 into 1 area. Correct? So 693/4 centimeter square. So here 4 and 4 get cancelled. Answer 693 centimeter square. So that is the area of a shaded region. Okay, okay, right. Now yeah, it's a quarter circle whose radius is 21. Then how did you find? So already this one we can find in two ways. One is area of a sector. Area of a sector formula x/360 into pi r square I said. Correct? Here it represents 90, right angle symbol 90. So here x value is 90 degrees. So here I'll write 90/360 into pi r square. Okay, so just to simplify, 1s are 4s are, correct? 1/4 pi r square. What did you identify? What is the formula of 1/4 square? 1 by pi r square. For what it is a formula? It is a formula to find a quarter circle. Correct? It is a quarter circle. So either you know the formula directly, you can use this formula directly, or else you can find it as a sector. I told you yesterday. Sector is nothing but it's a part, it's a region enclosed by two radii and a arc Okay. Now write on 1/4 pi value 22/7, r value 21. Cancellations. Yeah, 2 twos are 2 11 times. 7 ones are 7 3 times. Okay. Simple will write 11 3 is 33. 33 into 21/2. Same 33 21. 6 3 again 6 3. 3 9 6. So simply I'll write a 693/2. By 2. So just make half. 6 half 3. 9. 2 4s are 8. 8 means 1 3 left. 13 left. So 6 2 6 are 12. 1 left, 0.5 centimeter square. So this is a way of using the formulas to find areas for the given shapes. And some of the problems we'll see later. Have a nice day. Thank you very much.